cool trick for grounding the energy. Just take a couple of deep breaths. Become aware of your body being breathed. Just relax the body. You can let out a sound if you want. Something even as simple as ha or ah or will release oxytocin into the brain. Become aware of your heart, which is not to say the walls around the heart. Become aware of the heart, which is to say, after penetrating through these permeable walls with a subtler energy, there is a light, there is a glow at the center of the chest. And this is the energy field that lives behind the sternum. That's the one that we tune into. Yeah. Beautiful. Feel that glow. Feels really good. You can feel it grow outside of your body, about 10 inches, something like that. And then just imagine your heart energy drops down through the chest, down the spine, and down your legs. And imagine that you have long, long legs. Even if you're sitting, just imagine that your legs are long, 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 all the way down to the center of the earth, and you're standing with your feet rooted and grounded all the way into the center of the earth. Take a couple breaths there. And that is a very simple grounding technique. Enjoy.